Hello, Genius Hour. It is the last week of official school for us. A few things are happening next week, and I'll talk about that in a little bit, but we stinking made it, you guys. Oh, whoever would have thought we would have ended this way, but here we are at the finish line. I'm so excited for all of you to be done. I'm excited for me to be done. I'm proud of you. Seniors, I'm super bummed that I'm not going to be in person sending you off. Maybe I will. I guess I don't know if I'll see you on Friday at all, but I wish you well. I appreciate having you in class. Your sense of humor was always great for me to experience. And then 9th through 12th graders, you guys have been awesome. This has been a great class to teach because of you. So I thank you for all of that. Let's take a look at our plan for this week. And then you guys will be able to kind of wrap things up. So first of all, today is Tuesday. Yesterday we did not have school due to Memorial Day. Today and tomorrow, Wednesday, are your final work days for your quarter 4 project number 2 for Genius Hour. Thursday, then, you're going to spend time sharing your PowerPoint or your presentation with me through email. Please do not try to share that through Schoology in any way. All you have to do is share your presentation with me through email. I will grade it. I will put it in the quarter 4 project number 2 folder in Schoology as soon as I get it, and then you guys may complete your final discussion board reflection that goes along with our presentations. It should be nothing new for us. We've been doing this. This is our 3rd one so far online. Again, I'm so proud of everything that you guys have done to figure out distance learning and still do a really good job. I think your project number 2 for quarter 4, the different thick questions you guys were trying to answer are way more cooler than your project 1. So you really stepped it up at the end of the year here, and I'm excited for you guys to see what you have going on. Okay, so Thursday, like I said, you will share your presentations with me through email. I will post them in the folder in Schoology. And then Friday, you do have to finish up with that discussion board. You can do the discussion board on Thursday. In fact, seniors, you will want to do that on Thursday because I have grades due for all seniors Friday morning. So you will want to make sure that you are taking care of using whatever presentations are in there first on Thursday to complete that, so that on Friday all you guys have left, seniors, is to return your laptops and graduate. Stinking graduate, right? You finally made it. It's super exciting. I'm proud of all of you. And then again, 9th through 11th grade, you guys do have Monday and Tuesday next week that are just considered work days. So if you have any missing work for Genius Hour that you want to finish up, you can definitely do that Monday or Tuesday. I will not be coming back on to do a PowerPoint or anything like that. There's no new instruction, no new assignments. But if you have late work, just shoot me an email once you get it done, and I will grade that for you. Again, no late work will be accepted after Tuesday, June 2nd at 11:59 p.m. Let's wrap this up, you guys. Genius Hour, thankfully, is an easy class to teach online. I appreciate all your comments, all of your participation, all of your email responses back to me. You guys made it easy to stay connected. So thank you so much for making it a good experience. For me, hopefully you guys had some fun doing Genius Hour projects along with your other schoolwork as well. Enjoy your summers, everybody. Seniors, once again, I am so proud of you. I can't wait to see you and wish you well, hopefully in person at some point. Good luck in your future. I know you all are going to do great things. All right, everybody, have a wonderful summer. Stay safe, be good, and I will see you soon.